I have a problem. And that problem is too many beautiful options. Mission: the perfect airy summer night cardigan. First, the midnight lavender mix. We've got moody blue, sweet violet, and black and gold. Can they all just get along? Next, the golden matcha. Matcha Green meets midnight gold. It's giving. Goddess in an enchanted forest. Next, the cloudy galaxy. Might it feel more like winter snow than summer wrap? Next, the mauve midnight. It's so light it feels like wearing a whisper. The black yarn gives it a cool shadow effect behind the pink. Only one thread of mohair. This will take a million years to knit. But look at that drape. Is she the winner? And next, berry gold. Pure luxury. That color depth is incredible. The gold looks like actual jewelry. I might never want to take it off. And we have a winner. Light as air, shiny enough to be noticed. Now I just have to knit the rest of it. See you in 3 years. Which one would you have picked? Normal people have savings. I have Mohair. Who's with me?